In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Circle.so. This process will guide you step by step, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of how to create a custom form that meets your needs within this platform. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to Circle.so and go to Haas Community. If this is your first time using Circle.so, simply log in using your credentials. Once you're in, look for the marketing section. You'll usually find it in the sidebar or main menu. Click on Marketing, as this is where you'll manage and create your forms. Next, locate the Forms option and click on it. This is your centralized hub for all things related to form creation and management in Circle.so. Once you've accessed the Forms section, you'll need to click on Create Form. It's time to give your form an identity by typing in an internal name. This name doesn't need to be public-facing, but it should clearly identify the form's purpose to you and your team. Having named your form, click on Create Form. Now, you'll see options to enhance your form's details. Begin by clicking on the title field. The title will be the first thing your audience sees, so make sure it's engaging and relevant. Close to the title, there's a field for a subtitle, which can provide additional context or a brief description to captivate your audience's interest further. Now proceed by clicking on the name label. This is where respondents will input their name. It's pretty standard, but you can personalize it according to your needs. Similarly, there's an email label field which allows respondents to provide their email address. It's crucial as it enables follow-ups or confirmations to be sent out easily. Heading toward the final touches, you'll see options for customizing your form's appearance. Click on Button Text to specify what text should appear on the submission button. You can then adjust the button's color by selecting Button Color. Following this, modify the text color to ensure readability and a cohesive look with the rest of your branding. Moving on, the Style option gives an overall layout choice for the form. Customize it to match your brand or taste. For further visual refinement, you can select a background color and a text color to maintain consistency in your form's design. Adjust the orientation of the form if you need a specific arrangement. Approaching the final stages of creation, locate the Embed option for instructions on incorporating the form into other pages or platforms. Under Display Format, choose how the form should appear. Should you wish to add any actions after the form submission, simply click on After Submission and then select Action to finalize this. Finally, there are fields for title and body text, which let you provide a confirmation or thank you message post-submission. Once everything is set up as you wish, click on Save and Publish to make your form live. Congratulations, you've successfully created your custom form in Circle.so.